Welcome back to my YouTube channel World of TREDEC, reviewing the Cessna 150 from Minicraft model kits. In this 1/48 scale, this is very vintage. Sorry, the box is kind of worn. This is the livery of this aircraft. I cannot see who painted it, but anyway, I am trying to recognize it, but nothing. I cannot see him or her. Well, the box is medium, a little bit strong. This is a short history of the Cessna 150, all in English. This is the picture of the aircraft already built by any modeler. Some information here, just like the number of the kit, 11608, skill level 2, 1/48 scale, Cessna 150. Some warnings: not suitable for children under 38 months of age because of small parts. Copyright 2006, Minicraft Models Inc. The address in the US, all rights reserved, and the England or UK address. Barcode and IMMA letters, that means International Motorcycle Manufacturers Association. Descriptions in many languages, in 6 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, etc. Nothing at the back. Let's check the contents. Open the box. Little box. The display stand, typical from a Minicraft. I already polished it because I love polished elements, especially the display stand. Okay, let's get the pieces out and check the building instructions quickly. The water stickers. Okay, the same cover with the box, just like the box. 53 pieces, I counted. 13.7 centimeters long by 20.6 centimeters wingspan. 1/48 scale Cessna 150. Short history and the markings. Special marking with this livery. And the building instructions. The steps, sorry. Cockpit seat, landing gear, nose landing gear with the boots, panel instruments, how to assemble the cockpit with the fuselage halves, the firewall with the nose landing gear, the windshield, the back windshield. Horizontal stabilizers, I prefer to say the back window. The main wings with 3 halves with the windows, clear windows, the pitot and the fairing light. Assembling the main wing to the fuselage and the wing supports and windscreen. Assembling the detailed engine. How to place the engine in front of the fuselage and the cowling, the bottom cowling. Some notes about how to align the engine. Final assembling, the landing gear struts and the sprue map, everything, and the codes for building or assembling. 1998 Minicraft models. Well, let's check the water stickers, very excellent, nice quality with stripes black, yellow and dark red. With this US registration November 1903 Foxtrot. Well, very good. I really like the water sticker stripes included on the model kits. When you have to paint them, you will get some problems, but anyway, you have to be a seasoned modeler. Well, let's check the transclear parts with its original sprue. I think it needs some polishing, but I like to increase the transparency. Fuselage and fuselage halves, the same like the same molding like Bandai. One of them is without the tail, the other one is with it. This one is complete, one solid mold vertical fin, and this one, okay, good fitting, very nice. You have to paint inside the cockpit, inside this part of the fuselage halves. Let's check. Smooth, very smooth, and recessed panel lines, just like the main wing, top wing, with these window holes, and the bottom wing halves, total three halves style. Okay, for the fairing light, let's check these little parts. As always, the two horizontal stabilizers without, no halves, one solid mold with very smooth surfaces, no big deal about the panel lines, the cowling, the bottom cowling, engine, and the top cowling top. Good, very good. And the front, let's check the little piece, the ball, in order to insert into the socket system for this stunning pivot system movement for multi-position aircraft, to display it in multiple position. This is the sign in order to place in front of the display stand. That's a very good manner of displaying it. And this is the last sprue with this loose seat, cockpit floor, something missing. It's a missing part, as you see. You gotta be careful. This kit was completely sealed, and what a surprise! This strut, landing gear strut, is complete, but this one is without a little piece right here. So I need to remake it by myself in order to complete it. Well, anyway, the rest are fine. The instrument panels, landing gear boots, halves, the propeller with two blades, the wing struts, etc. Well, that's it about this stunning aircraft, the Cessna 150 model kit from Minicraft. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and thank you very much for watching the video, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.